How are these viral miniature scene animations made? Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a super fun miniature scene animation. Don't worry, it only takes a few simple steps. Open the Vivago website and go to the image generator. First, we need to create a fun miniature world image. Click on Prompt Bot and enter your creative idea in the input box. You can follow a format like this. No need for a complicated description. Just describe the scene you want. Click Send, and the bot will refine your prompt for better accuracy and detail. Click Use It, then adjust the magic prompt and model settings to enhance the image quality. Set the image size and quantity. Generating multiple images helps you pick the best one. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Your miniature world is ready. Pick the image that best matches your vision. Click to Video to animate. In the input box, describe the animation effect you want, something like this. Use Prompt Bot again to refine the animation details. Adjust Magic Prompt. Choose a model and set the video duration as needed. Click Generate. Wait patiently, and your stunning miniature animation will be automatically created. That's it. Super easy, right? Try it out now and bring your creativity to life.